Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we change phone sleep time in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to change your phone sleep time. So friend, how can you change? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys open your phone setting guys. So when we will on our phone setting to change phone sleep time, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see display and brightness guys, tap on display and brightness, and when scroll it friends you can see screen timeout guys, tap here. So friends, you can change your phone sleep time from here. So example for we will click on the 30 second. So I wait for 30 seconds and guys don't touch anywhere on your screen, then guys your phone will sleep automatic. I wait and watch. And friends, do you any doubt guys related to guys your phone sleep time setting, display and brightness, you can ask me. You can see it's going die and off. So like that guys you can change your phone sleep time. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.